I used to deal with constant bloating every day, and it made me feel sluggish, and nothing I tried seemed to fix it. Then I found Mativara's Floresta Probiotic 40 billion CFU with prebiotics with Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacterium lactis, and other powerful strains. And just a few capsules a day helped restore my gut balance and strengthen my immune system naturally. Now I feel lighter, more energized, and more comfortable every day, backed by Mativara's 90-day satisfaction guarantee.